So this is just going to be a quick, small update on the Trek 8000. It's not here in the house anymore. It's moved to the garage because, well, the brake system is just a whole complete mess. And not to mention of the fact that it is near impossible to actually work on the thing without even having to deal with it. So I'm going to show you right now. This is where the Trek would normally be. It's not parked there, and I'm not going out to the garage again because it's about to storm. However, this thing here has the front wheel of the Trek and then the rear end of an off-roader. So you guys are asking yourselves, why is this here? Why is it being replaced with the Nighthawk 2000 Magna? Because that's the only thing I can use right now. Because I need new brake cables because the ones I got won't work. Whoop. So here is a pre-made cable. And then here is the wire itself. And I am going to put this in here. Yeah, this is pre-made. And this is a problem with pre-made. All right. You cannot just stick these wires onto an old school bike like this. The only thing you can stick them on is the disc brake system right here. This is a Diamondback Luxe, and the tire's already popped somehow. I don't know how that happened. So yeah, I got a job, need to work on my bike, need to get the kit chopper going. So that way I can feel happy and free from this whole monstrosity. This day and yesterday as well has been nothing but trouble ever since I got these pre-made brakes. Whatever you do, do not buy these if you don't have any disc brakes. Out.